Several areas in Kolkata were waterlogged after heavy rainfall lashed the city today. Severe waterlogging was also reported at Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. As per reports, areas like Behala, MG Road, Park Circus, Park Street and Shakespeare Sarani were under knee-deep water. The Indian Meteorological Department IMD has predicted more rainfall in the next 24 hours. The Supreme Court today issued notice to the centre on a plea seeking door-to-door COVID-19 vaccination for the disabled. Seeking the centre's response on it, the Supreme Court said it raises substantial questions dealing with the rights of the disabled. It also sought provisions for preference in scheduling vaccination, a dedicated helpline for this, and easy access to vaccination centres. Facebook today announced the appointment of former IAS officer Rajiv Agarwal as Director of Public Policy in India. As per Facebook's statement, in this role, Agarwal will report to Ajit Mohan, Vice President and Managing Director Facebook India, and will be a part of the India leadership team. Agarwal succeeds Anki Das, who quit the company in October 2020. According to United Kingdom government's new COVID-19 related travel rules, fully vaccinated Indians will not be considered as vaccinated in the United Kingdom and will have to undergo 10-day quarantine. According to new rules, if a person is vaccinated in Africa, South America, UAE, India, Turkey, Jordan, Thailand and Russia, they are considered unvaccinated. The new rules will become effective from October 4th. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has said that the northeastern state is going to become another Kashmir and has urged the RSS to save Hindus from aggression by a section of people. Satras are in great danger. Hindus living in the tea belt and far-flung border areas of the state are also on the verge of extinction, Assam Chief Minister Sarma said. A volcano erupted on the Spanish Canary island of La Palma on Sunday, spewing fountains of lava and a plume of smoke and ash into the sky. The Cumbre Vieja chain of volcanoes, which last saw a major eruption in 1971, experienced more than 22,000 tremors this week. Authorities began evacuating people from nearby villages before the eruption. Champion boxer and Filipino Senator Manny Pacquiao on Sunday said that he will run for president of the Philippines in the 2022 elections. "I am a fighter and I will always be a fighter inside and outside the ring. I wholeheartedly, bravely and humbly hope for your support," he added. Pacquiao was nominated by the faction he leads in the ruling PDP Laban party in the Philippines.